Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 10th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I definitely still think this is either going to turn into an expanding flat, which would bring us up and take out these highs, or possibly a running flat, which would actually bring us down to one of these lower highs. Either way, I think it's either going to end up looking like that, or possibly like that. So either way, I don't really care because either way, I think there's a lot of upside potential. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm pretty convinced that the weekly time frame is going up. I think we have an expanding flat wave 2, which would make this a wave 1 of wave 3, ABC 2 of wave 3. I think this is likely now already in an uptrend for that wave 3, 4, and 5, just like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame, I personally think this is very likely to have found a bottom. I think this uptrend right here, the 5 waves, is a wave 1. I think this is a big ABC correction, wave 2. And I do believe that this is going to continue probably at least all the way up to these highs, or maybe this high, or either way, doesn't matter. I think it's going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and I think we're currently in a wave 1 of wave 3, which is most likely part of that expanding wave 3 flat that I was showing you on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we definitely were starting to have some doubts about this move down actually being a correction by yesterday's news. Right at the 61%, nice and positive up, nice break of structure. That is definitely the end of an ABC correction right there, which means it should go up and take out these highs. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to go up all at once like that. It could possibly, go down, make a bigger correction, then go up later on. But I think either way, it is going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows on the daily. I think it's going to go up and break this high, and probably eventually go up and break those more significant highs on the daily time frame. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have some more dollar news coming out this afternoon. It'll be interesting to see what it does because the trend is definitely up. Now maybe it will go down, make a more proper looking correction before it goes up. Maybe it'll just keep on trending up. I have no idea how this is actually going to play out. All I know is that the trend is up, and I will definitely continue to look for long opportunities at the end of corrections. If it just keeps on going up today, then I'll just patiently wait for more entries at the end of pullbacks. If it goes down today and makes a more proper looking ABC correction, then that's great news for us because we can go long at the end of the ABC. So whatever it decides to do, which really nobody can really forecast exactly how these subdivisions are going to play out on the 1 hour time frame, whether it just keeps on trending up from here or whether it just makes a proper ABC correction before it does trend up. Either way, I will definitely be looking for longs at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend, which I think is a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my daily swing trade setups that I share with the group by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.